Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nick Umar Solihin and I'm from University Malaysia, Kelantan. My paper is Integrating Photogrammetry and Augmented Reality for Sustainable Heritage Tourism, a case study at Kampung LAUT Mosque in Kelantan. A little bit of introduction. Kampung LAUT Mosque is one of the heritage building in Malaysia. It acts as a tourism hub, attracting visitors and promoting architectural heritage tourism in Kelantan. The mosque represent how architectural heritage can serve as a focal point for cultural identity and community engagement. Indeed, it is an enduring symbol of Malaysia's Islamic heritage that must be safeguarded for future generations. But the problem is, the mosque currently has limited educational resources for the visitors. Historical and architectural information of the mosque is mainly delivered through printed displays and static panels. It is less engagement and costly to reproduce or maintain. As you can see from the image, the display is less engaging and unsustainable in the long term due to continuous material consumption that can have environmental impact. So that's why this study aims to explore the potential of photogrammetry-based augmented reality as a sustainable alternative for heritage tourism and education. We are trying to answer the questions of, is it possible to use digital tools to enhance public engagement while reducing environmental impact in heritage tourism? In order to achieve this goal, the study employs an exploratory approach comprising four phases. The first one, we start with site study, data acquisitions, data processing, and AR implementations. During this stage, we've selected the Kampung Laut Mosque as a selected study area due to its status as one of the oldest surviving heritage buildings in Kelantan. During this process, we also conducted literature reviews to gain some additional information for augmented reality application in the later stage. The photogrammetry process begins during data acquisition stage. We begin with establishing the perimeter of the targeted object. Because of the time constraint, we only use wall panel as our targeted object. The images of the wall panel must be taken in multi-position to achieve the overlapping effect, as the camera placement is an essential factor for the accuracy of the result. The captured images must be overlapped no fewer than 60% and the camera must be kept at a consistent distance for each shot. Moving forward, during data processing stage, the acquired images were imported into the Kiri engine, one of the photogrammetric modeling software for data processing. The software will first align the photos and determines the positions of the camera and create point clouds. As you can see at the right pictures, the point clouds needs to be clean in order to achieve a proper result for the later stage. The clean point cloud was subsequently imported into Adobe Aero for the AR experience. Additional contents such as the origin of the materials, dimensions of the wood panel, and audio narration were incorporated into the AR applications. The project can be exported and shared via a QR code, which users can scan to access and explore the augmented building component on their own device. The result presents the AR application featuring the KLM wall panel, developed to support sustainable heritage tourism. The application has been tested on two types of mobile devices, a smartphone and iPad tablet, to evaluate its usability and responsiveness across different platforms. As you can see from the workflow above, it presents a significant guideline for researchers or local heritage practitioners to implement AR application for sustainable heritage tourism in Malaysia. However, this study still has several limitations. Currently, it examines only one building component, which restricts the depth of information available to tourists. Second one, while smartphone survey mapping is an economical option, it falls short in capturing the full architectural parts of the buildings. The next one is the effectiveness of the AR application has not yet been evaluated from the tourist and stakeholders' perspective. So it is important in the future research includes questionnaires or interviews to gather valuable feedback on user experience and perceive its effectiveness. As a conclusion, this paper presents a detailed and innovative workflow for integrating photogrammetry-based augmented reality into heritage tourism. It's specifically aimed to demonstrate how digital documentation of AR can serve as sustainable alternative in providing interactive heritage tourism. The workflow unfolds through four essential stages. First one is site study, followed by data acquisition, data processing, and AR implementation. This structured approach not only serves as a valuable resource for stakeholders, but also emphasizes on the feasibility of using a cost-effective strategy that harness mobile devices and open source software. By embracing these innovative methodologies, we can significantly elevate the tourism experience, improving greater appreciation for heritage building while making such technology accessible and engaging for all visitors. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.